Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall the inside liftgate switch for this 2013 Cadillac SRX. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Open the liftgate. Next we're going to take this cover off. You can try to take this off with a trim tool right here, right here. You can get underneath, but it's a little bit tight, so I'm just going to use a pick. Just be careful not to scratch the plastic. Get underneath here and pop it off there. Slide it out. Now we're going to take this screw out. It's a T30, so we'll use a T30 socket, extension, and a ratchet. So there's multiple clips that hold this in underneath here, and then a couple of retainers that go that way on the back. So we're just going to take some trim tools. We actually sell these trim tools at 1aauto.com. Just go underneath here. Try to pry it out a little bit. You can just grab it with your hands and pull it straight down. Just gonna force it. And then the back is gonna come this way, just like that. See, these are those clips that are in the back. Be careful not to break those. And then you have all these other retainers all around. Now we're going to disconnect this electrical connector. Just push down on this lock, slide it off. All right, now we're going to take this inside liftgate switch off. You could potentially do this with the cover on, but to be safe, we took the cover off. Disconnect the electrical connector right here. Just push down on the tab. Slide it up, just like that. And then there's two tabs right here. You push these together, just like that, and slide this out. Now we're gonna remove the switch from the housing. Just take a small straight blade screwdriver. You can use a pocket screwdriver. There's little tabs right here, just push. And you're gonna wanna put a little bit of pressure on the switch. We do this, push those tabs, just like that. Release those, so we're going to spin this around, still holding pressure, and then push these two tabs. You may have to try this a couple times. And there we go. The switch comes out of the housing, just like that. All right, now we're going to reinstall the switch into the housing. Now, there is a way that this goes. It goes a certain direction. There's a key right there that's in the middle, and then there's two on that side. So you're going to want to line that up with the one on the housing. Just slide that in, lock it in place. And we can take this, and then the same thing, there's going to be a keyway for this housing. It only goes in one way. There's 3 different keys on that side, 2 keys on that side. So it goes in this way only. Lock that in place. Reconnect the connector. And lock that in place. I'll take this cover, connect the connector right here. Lock it on. We want to slide these 2 pins in on the back first. Lock those on, and then Line up the other guides. There's a guide pin right here. You line that up, and then line the other one up as well. Just push, give it a tap. Install this bolt. Use a T30 socket extension, and once I get it down, I'll snug it up with the ratchet. Just snug, not too tight. It is plastic. Take this little cover, line it up, lock it in. We can close this.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.